Welcome to a Daily Hustle, accompanied on Christmas. You already know this is the best show that makes an other show look so stupid and whack. I'm thanking you loving, man. Come on, it's Chris Network on YouTube. Please tune in, you subscribe, you press the notification bell. Then I see you there. Today I'm with my girl, my future. Baby, welcome to the show.
Hey, Belle, how are you?
I'm super.
You condensed.
You're looking beautiful today. What's up?
Thank you, love. I'm just shining. I've been here 5 hours. Been waiting for you 5 hours. So
Thank you. Thank you.
That's the reason for this face. You know I never shine.
Okay.
I test. I never shine. Do I?
No comment. No comment. But you're looking beautiful.
Thank you, Mbongile Baba.
Yeah, you're welcome. Unjani?
Right. Impili
Iphethe kanjani? Asixoxe uba nempilo ikuphethe kanjani?
impilo ngiphethe kahle yazi ifuna abomeleleyo.
So la kuyaphapha but hey, ngitshele ngempilo uthi yenze njani?
Ngitshela ngempilo ngikutshela ukuthi impilo i-right baba ngithi nginawe manje.
So everything is all right.
Yeah, everything is okay.
Okay.
Ngezandla zakho soft. Why is it that your hands are so soft, Chris?
I don't know. Was just born like that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So season 2, the ngingakhona is coming back. Seems like
Yeah, 4th of May that is.
Serious?
Yeah, I felt I have to lay it down on thick. It's coming down on the 4th of May.
Yeah.
And asking me as if you've never even knew. You make your appearances in season 2, bruh.
Come on, man. No, so angazi yonke into so ngitshele kwenzakalani ku season 2.
Season 2,
Just a
there's
little
so much
bit.
happening. There's so much
The drama.
happening. Yeah, I'm trying to tell people that on season 2, because season 1, I told my story as an introduction.
Yeah.
Season 2, I get to go deeper into detail. Like,
Okay.
this is me, this is the Tholang that I've always wanted to, like, the things that I've always wanted to do, like, umsebenzi ekhaya, introducing myself to my ancestors as a girl
that's crazy.
now. Yeah, and it works. You know, with ancestors, like, it's something that works. I know some people are going to be born again and not believe it, but then I do believe it because, as people, we withhold different beliefs. And I made, like, an ancestral umsebenzi ekhaya.
Yeah.
And things started lighting up, like my roots.
Like you.
My roots my roots. Indlela zami, they started, lightening up, and I started to make good progress in life. So season 2, and then season 2, I rekindle with my ex.
You're lying.
No, Chris. Yeah, so people should expect things like those. Like Kumnandi season 2.
Not drama ku season 2. Or there is a drama, just that
That
part.
is the ngingakhona, not the bold and the beautiful. Uyakhumbula ngithi, there's just about no way there can never be drama. There's always drama. There's always me and Ino fighting. There's always Ino and MJ fighting. There's always MJ and Ino and Untabi saying the lady. The girlfriend, MJ. Are you gonna see the rest of all that? If I tell you, I might jeopardize my job. I might jeopardize my job. I'm not supposed to be telling you.
Okay, now just a little bit of it,
Yeah. Humanati the ngingakhona umnathi how to last khaza mo. Plus una lebo Chris ka bo ma di six pack into what?
Okay.
Amadoda anonile ngazi ukuthi anoniswe yini ngoba awufuna uku-admit ukuthi ukudla kakhulu.
Ngidla.
I get to be Chris Ujak. Chris, I could go to Lakote last I get to was like I'm
But your Zulu is perfect though.
Oh, my Zulu is perfect. Thank you, Kulma son. I get my jebab. Or are you saying that so you can have me speaking Zulu?
No, like see right. See perfect.
Ay, ngibongile baba ngokuyithobo khulu.
What's up, Kulile Makaya? That's in the chair.
Yeah, baba. I need to have to be
you know.
respectful for you. Ngoba velo we KZN ngithi ba.
That's beautiful. I respect that.
Yeah,
So,
and I love your hair. I love your hair, baba. I love your hair.
Thank you.
It's nice.
So, Mjele, people don't know which when you've been through a lot and ziningi izinto overcomile and izinto ezikwenzakalele elifini nje. Ukhona kanjani ukuthi lawo ma-challenges obhekana nawo undlule kuwo?
I've always believed that after each hurricane always comes a rainbow. Each and every time that I get to go something that is maybe I'm going through hardships.
Yeah.
I do not dwell too much on those hardships because I always get to look at the brighter side. There's always the brighter side for you to look at. So, yeah, you get to think of the rest of all these things that have been good, that have been happening to you, than lazy ezimbi. That's how I get through this. That's how I always manage. That's how I always survive. So, yeah, that's that. But how do you get through? How do you get through in ezimbi? Like I've always wanted to ask you, how did you get through? How did you get through? How did you get the first? Okay.
Yeah, this is my show.
Oh, so now I'm not supposed to be asking you anything, and you're supposed
I'm
to be
asking questions.
Okay, that is not fair, but then it's cool. It's cool.
Yeah. So my challenge is, I know this one can be like maybe a little bit sensitive, but my challenge is about a transgender. You want the community to accept you because some people don't like to accept transgenders, you know, those gays. So when lezo zikuphatha kanjani?
They obviously will not sit well with me, but then but like not everyone is loved by everyone. You are not money. Not everyone will love you. You are not food. Not everyone will love you because there are people that are going to be on diet that hate food. So I just love myself. You know, loving yourself is more powerful than anything. Because if you love yourself, that is the most lovable, powerful love that you can ever give to anyone else. Self-love. So I love myself. And the fact that the next person does not like me does not even have to concern me because that person has got nothing to do with me.
That's
the love that I give to myself is the foremost one. So if you don't like me, girl, bye. Next time in the confession on the dance floor.
So next question. My next question, like a beauty is very expensive. Being beautiful. And it's
is it expensive? Because I feel like beauty comes from within, but then if you think that it's like I think makeup is expensive, but then you can't say makeup is beauty because I feel like beauty comes from within. But then no one walks around with an X-ray to determine if you're beautiful.
No one see your inner beauty.
Yeah, I know, but then I feel like beauty is natural. If you're not beautiful, you're not beautiful. If you're beautiful, you'd be beautiful naturally without makeup. But then makeup is expensive. Cosmetics are expensive. What did you want to ask me?
If you're not doing the ngingakhona, what else do you do?
I'm a businesswoman. I'm an entrepreneur. I'm also a brand ambassador. I'm a face of CAX. That's where I make most of my, like, some of my money from CAX. Because, I'm a brand ambassador for CAX.
Wow.
Why do you have to say, well, we are hustling? This is daily hustle after all.
Yeah, we
siyahasla la ngithi sifunana nemali baba angithamba sifunana nemali ukuthi nokuthi ingane zethu siphila kamnandi ujabulani nozweli.
You pregnant?
No, kungenzeka ngazi baby.
Are you not pregnant?
No, I don't know.
But like you told me, say, Chris, I'm pregnant. I'm like, God, I'm gonna be a father.
Chris, I am better too.
I'm like, hey, I'm gonna be a father now. Yeah.
Better. You have not said anything about my nails. I know you always comment about my nails.
They're beautiful.
Oh, okay, beautiful, thank you, Baba. Thank you.
Even your eyelashes.
They're from my line, Girl of Now. Did I tell you about this lash line of mine that's coming soon? It's called Girl of Now. I'm gonna be catering for girls that are willing to go all the way, girls that are extreme, girls that are not afraid to take it an extra mile. So I'm practically at that. I'm practically meaning that I'm not gonna be catering for those. I'm a leslawa man. You see, Girl of Now, extremely, extremely so extreme.
They are beautiful.
Ah, thank you.
Okay, Mama Zul. So if you say kaya, you go put uthanda ukupheka if you're chilling at home.
Yeah, I love pap with all my heart.
Serious?
Ngithanda put. And yazi like the way ngithanda uphuto ngakhona, like I nyenza uphuto all the time, and then ngithanda stew. It's namazambane. Ne-spices anele.
Uyadla manje.
No try. I eat a lot.
Wow.
Yeah,
A day udla kangaki?
I think, Chris Manja, why do you want to put me
No,
on
I'm
the
just
spot?
asking.
Because I'm gonna
Maybe
tell
you're
the
not
truth, and
eating
some
that a
people are
lot.
gonna find me weird. I eat a lot.
Yeah, but a day.
I'm out of count,
many
bro. I
times?
eat a lot. Mina ngidla kakhulu. I love uyangibona ukuthi umzimba wami ujabulile. I eat a lot. And ngiyabona na ukuthi udla kakhulu Chris ubungekho ngakho.
Hey, zoma umzimba ojabulile.
Just as jabulile.
Into zakhe yazi.
Jabulile.
Zihamba ngolayini into zakhe.
Ungazi ngitshela ngohamba ngoline. Yeah, I eat a lot.
No.
Mabona uyadla Chris?
I eat though. But
Kakhulu
not
njengami.
much, not much. I just eat to survive a day.
Chris jalo utlo jang be mka o saji. Chris a go pele be sa ntsomplela maka. Ba no ga tsomplela maka.
When
Chris tsola le soft tour ba nhle. Why? Why matsoa le soft tour fita aka? What does that make me if your hands are going to be softer than mine?
they are not soft though. They are.
Nhle. E ka le fabric ya cashmere very soft.
Thank you. That's a compliment. Oh God. Okay. You said you wanna ask me one question.
Okay. I asked you the question, but then you
I brush it off.
Yeah, you brushed
Maybe
it off.
next time. Maybe next
Why
time.
should it be next time when you ask me everything now here?
I'm not in this good space.
You're not in the zone.
Yeah.
I understand.
Easy pin out and ukuchilla kuzo like to have fun.
I go anywhere, everywhere. Especially when I'm with Ino, when I'm with Al. You know, those are my girls, and we go everywhere, anywhere. The only place that I've never been, to is Tembisa. And I want to go to Tembisa. No, Alex, actually. I've been to
Alex.
Tembisa before. I've never been to Alex.
Busy corner.
Yeah, I've been to Bizicon, I've been to Caprivi. And I've been to this place that I can't even pronounce. I probably forgot the name. But I've never been to Alex. I want to go to Alex. I want to go to Gomorrah. Gomorrah is nice. Yeah, Gomorrah is actually nice.
Uzoba sexy so moya ka.
Kuto we. Hey, kito sa malo na trip pa sa malo na bizi Alex.
Baba ga chaplan. Yeah, Mama ga chaplan.
Yeah, bab.
Yeah, so now we will call Mama Chaplan like just to check them out. So ngitshele beside TV, is a piece in that ubuthanda ukuzenza beside to being on TV.
I've always wanted to be a lawyer.
Sorry.
That's what I've always wanted to be. Yeah, I quit school at my fourth year. I was gonna do my fourth year. Yeah, fourth year. I was on the verge of finishing my law degree, and that's when I quit due to most things that have happened to me that have affected me mentally. But then I will go back to school as soon as time is right. You know, we work with timing as people. Yeah, I get to la school and keep it hand.
Okay, that's great though.
Mara ke tlo go tla like bana ka tšhelete ya fokotsea ke ba no tšentse phaela gore e ngata sentse ke thabile sentse ke le mathabo ke se ke tlo bua Sotho ke gatetse ke
No, it's cool. I'm cool with that.
mehla o dula o manipulate
No,
saka
I'm cool with that.
semnate
I'm cool with that.
o rata go solo saka semnate and ha qetile mo ha ke se flanka go tla go ngezulu esitekile niyahleba nokuhleba hayi suka
Makul bizu like ngivele enjoying it. It's like music.
Hey, what? Kisikhulumela wena baba ese wababa wasekhaya. Baba kaMdudu. Ngiyakhumbula leyo ngoma. Cellphone ikhala sengizoyiphendula. Awe baba kaMdudu wena.
But
you know, that's how I got to learn Zulu.
Sorry.
My first time in Joburg, people thought, wow, you straight from the Free State, but you can speak Zulu. They are blindly unaware of the fact that in the Free State, we also watched Ihlalo Fileo.
Sure. I was so surprised.
Yeah, we listen to, Ingoma says Zulu because, they are the ones that get to be famous. Njengobaba kaMdudu.
So wamdansela ubaba kaMdudu.
Ngiyeza
Wamdansela ubaba kaMdudu.
angazi ngokita ngamkhithela nokumgidela. Kathi kukhona i-cellphone ikhala sengizoyiphendula.
Hamba moga.
Yayazi vele ukuthi.
Yeah, no, ngiyayazi.
Oh, okay.
Ngiyayazi. So ngitshele i-reality show the way ngingakhona season 1 ubona ukuthi i-change kanjani impilo yakho?
Ufanele ukuthi ngilungise wiki baba ayisajonseki nayo. Oh yes.
I-change kanjani?
Yeah, the way Ngingakhona has changed my life drastically because now I get to be free and I'm thankful to the way Ngingakhona because like my life got to change in a way that I myself can't believe because each and every time that I got the same thing that happened with me and you. I got to come across guys that thought what you thought of me.
Yeah.
And it would not be easy, revealing
to
my
come out.
to come out, because a guy would have a certain expectation of you, and then you are not what they expected, and you love them. You can't even say who you are to them. So now it's easier, and it's only now that I get to uncover that the world loves me the way that I am. I do not have to hide myself from anyone. I do not have to omit my sexuality from anyone. I do not have to be this Tholang that was affectational to anyone. So the way ngingakhona helped me to come out, I feel like it pulled me right out of the closet. So I'm ecstatic. I love it.
Is there anything that you would like to do with TV beside the reality show? Is there anything that you would like to do?
On TV?
Yeah.
I would like to act.
Serious?
I would love to. Firstly, I would love to have my own reality show. No, not but a talk show before acting.
Yeah.
You know the Wendy Williams show?
Yeah.
Yeah, I would love to have a show like that where I gossip about people and not caring what they would have to say because I know they gossip about me back. I would love. No, it's a controversial show, but I want it. Do you watch the Wendy Williams show?
Yeah, a little bit.
I don't even look at it as gossip. It's just opinions. That women is opinionated. Hey, and people swear at her and she does not even care. I would do that. That would be a first for South Africa, because I feel like most of these people that are famous, they get away with so many things because no one ever gets to tell them what they really think or what is it that's the truth.
Yeah.
So I would like to have a show like the Wendy Williams show, but only I would be more open-minded.
Okay.
And more offensive to them.
Okay. Okay, let me ask you this question. Maybe it might be a little bit, disturbing.
Nothing is ever going to be disturbing in my world.
Great, then we can go.
Hey, Papa. Why are you asking? Why are you saying?
No, I just want to ask you, Guti. Okay, what's your ratio?
Yeah, I seriously do not want to dwell in that. I felt like I talked about it once on camera, or maybe twice. But, talking about it makes me feel like I lived there, and I don't live there anymore. It's something that once happened to me. And because I feel like I've had my fair of talking about it. I don't want to go back to that world. I've passed, and I'm this person that's new, that has evolved, that has been through that, and that's why I practically would stand in front of millions of people and tell them I'm brave. I got through that.
No.
Seriously, don't like talking about that. I don't like talking about it.
You don't like to talk about it?
I hate talking about it.
But do you think you're right now? Did you heal?
No, I obviously have not healed. I'm so resentful. I obviously have not healed. But then in time, the pain that you feel, time heals all wounds.
True.
Yeah, like they say, I feel like time is doing me good because as opposed to at first when I could not talk about it, I can talk about it now and tell people that I do not want to talk about it and still talk about it just to feel better and talk about it just to, analyze the happenings of that night. And I feel like because it has happened to so many people that I look up to, that if they could get through it, then there's going to become a time where I get through it as well. So,
but don't you think ukuthi ukukhuluma ngayo kukusiza ukuthi uphole ngaphakathi?
You can it like it's something that intuitive ka hare hore ke fole, and ke ithutile from the way ngingakhona ke ithutile how bua ka ntho utlwisang bohloko.
Yeah.
Qetellong ha o so buile kana o itse ka sefubeng sa sa utlwisa bohloko ka mogotshwanang. So yes, that's what I've learned about talking.
Okay, let's move on because
no, I'm strong. Don't worry, I'm strong. I'm very, very strong.
Okay, great. So, ukhula kanjani? Mapha ama challenges ohlangane nawo mawukhula? Like
ahle ke hlangane le ma challenges amaningi hore batho nga dikhula. Yeah, I would have teachers throw at me and go different directions. Would leave me there to deal with the trauma. I grew up thinking that being sworn at as a transgender woman, that as a transgender girl, because I used to be a girl back then, I used to feel like being sworn at is something that's going to be normal, that's going to be an everyday thing. So people would swear at me and I would never see anything wrong. It's only now that I get to grow up, that I get to learn about the LGBTI, that I get to take offense over a person swearing at me. Like, you're not supposed to be saying such words to me. Like, yeah, I grew up with my teachers, my neighbors swearing at me, and they would think it's something that's normal. So, yeah, the trials and tribulations that I went through as a kid, that's why I did the ngingakhona. I do not want an 8-year-old transgender girl to go through what I went through.
Yeah.
I want to normalize this. I want to make it, I wanted to introduce it to people. I wanted to teach people about it. You know, let them know if people are adequately educated, there's not going to be much prejudice. There's not going to be much negativity. So I dwelled on the rest of all that. Like, how I grew up was not good. And I do not want anyone to grow up like that.
Yeah, okay, I understand it, and I'm sorry about that. So, Angela, let's move kuma set.
Start taking when? What are going
moment.
to doing?
Okay, who's your favorite person? Must say with the way ngakon. Just name two. Othi laba ngabathanda.
Crazy. How the way you are going to talk about how the way you got quite how it true. Or but like you give my name, I love MJ with all my heart.
Okay.
No, I love MJ with all my heart.
And?
I love Eno too. No, Eno, I love Eno.
Okay. Okay, your last word ever kubantu ababhekile ungathi nje mhlambe kumuntu ofuna ukuba kumuntu ofuna ukuba kuma reality shows and kumuntu ocabanga ukuthi yazini I'm gay but akafuna ukuthi atshela abantu noma abantu bazi ungathini kulowo muntu mhlambe.
Well, your happiness comes first. Obviously, you will not make it in life if you still believe that people are going to say this and this. Because they talk about you. People talk about God. People talk about everyone. People hate everyone. They even hate God. You know they're Satanists, right? People that hate God. Not everyone will love you. You are not money. At the end of the day, it has to be your happiness. If you're not happy in life, what was your reason of living? What was your purpose in life, actually? Yeah, so if you're gay, please be happily gay. If you're transgender, if you whatever, see to it that you're happily like that because you are living to be happy.
Okay, that's perfect though.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're smart.
Thank you.
You're beautiful, so you got brain.
And the week is it in Kimetsi weekend, Kimetsan Kampoka, but I kill a shitty quapa.
So like, okay, about back to my social media.
Tholang everywhere. You can just say Tholang everywhere. The only thing that I'm not giving are my numbers, but then on social media,
it's 07.
Yes,
all right, this is it for today. Occupied on Christmas, you already know this is Daily Hustle. The show makes an other show look so stupid and whack. I'm thanking you, loving. I see you at work. What?
I knew that was gonna be good.